Hi friends, Sunil here. Welcome to this channel. As we know that Python is an object-oriented programming language, today our topic of discussion is classes and objects. Classes are defined by the user. The class provides the basic structure for an object. Objects are made from class. Now the class consists of data members and method members. Data members are variables and method members are functions. These data members and method members are used by the instances of the class. That means they are used by objects of the class. Now a class is defined by using the keyword class followed by the name of the class and then colon. So here we are defining a class employee. Then after that the first statement can be a docstring which is optional. That contains the information about the class. Now in the body of the class the attributes are defined. These attributes can be data members or method members. Here we are having two methods. The first one is fill details and then print details. The fill details methods takes in 4 arguments: self, first, last and sal. And the print details takes only one argument, that is self. Every method has a self as its first argument. Then here I am printing the docstring. After that I am creating object employee1 from class employee. emp1 is equal to employee means I am creating an object employee1 of class employee. Or in other words, I am instantiating the class employee into an object employee1. Similarly, I am creating another object employee2 of class employee. So I am creating two objects employee1 and employee2 both of the class employee. This employee1 and employee2 are the objects. They are instances of the class employee. Now using this instance, that is using the object, I am calling the method fill details and passing the arguments to the method fill details. Although in the fill details there are 4 arguments, fill detail methods there are 4 arguments. Here I am passing 3 arguments, that is first, last and sal. Here self is the instance itself. That is self will be the instance, that is emp1 will be self. So Tom will be moved to first, Jackson to last and salary 10,000 will be to sal. And it will be moved to self f name, self l name and self sal respectively. Then after that, using the second object emp2, I am calling the method fill details. So we are calling the method of class employee using the instances of the class. So using employee2 instance dot fill details, I am calling the method fill details with arguments Steve, Smith and 12,000. So this time self will be EMP2 and first will be Steve, then Smith and 12,000. Then I am printing details of EMP1 and EMP2. So here when I am calling this function, I don't have to pass the argument self to this function because it is all automatically taken care of. Python interpreter does that. Now we will execute this and see. So it has printed the details of 2 employees. So first I have called the print details using the instance employee1 and printed its details. Then using the instance employee2, I have printed the details for the second employee. When I am filling the details, I am using the instances 1 and 2 to fill the details, which will be stored in that instance dot fname, last name and salary, and then it will be printed. Using the print details, I am printed it. Now if I want to make a change in the salary of the first employee, that is EMP1, if I want to change the salary from 10,000 to 11,500, then I will call this method fill details with the changed salary. And after that, after the change, I am printing employee1 print details and employee2 print details. So it has printed the first employee with the changed salary. That means objects are mutable. You can change the values of the objects. You can change the value in the object. Now here I am printing employee dot name. This is a class attribute that displays the name of the class. So here it will print employee. It should print employee because employee is our class. So it has printed employee. So we have created a class. We have created objects from that class, employee1 and employee2. These objects are instances of the class. And using these objects, we have accessed the methods of the class. Using this object employee1 dot fill details, we have accessed the method fill details of the employee class. Similarly, we have accessed the print details using the object. Then after that, we have displayed the details. Then we have modified the details of the first employee. That is, we have modified the salary of the first employee. So, hope you understood this video. If you like this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.